Do you believe that psychedelics have changed your life? Or perhaps you've heard others share with you, hey, I did an ayahuasca ceremony or I did a journey with psilocybin and it changed my life. Well, I want to drill down on this just a little bit. This is Eddie with A Mindful Emergence, where Margaret and I offer mindfulness, movement, and breathing practices for your healing and spiritual transformation. And most of our work is with plant medicine, specifically psilocybin. So here's the reality that psychedelics, plant medicines can have a profound impact on our mindful emergence. Um, we know that they've been used for thousands of years as a support, a catalyst to open the doorway up to profound transformation and healing. There's absolutely no question about it. But did the psilocybin change your life? Did the ayahuasca, the LSD, the San Pedro, the DMT, the ketamine, peyote, whatever it is, did it change your life? Well, I'm going to suggest to you that perhaps what it did is it opened the door. And any life changing events, any life changing experience or results are probably the work that you did, consciously or unconsciously. But I'm not sure that point is really fully understand. We have prepared and integrated over 100 people with intentional use of psilocybin, and the results have been mixed. In almost every case, people have had a very positive experience, at least one way or the other. I don't think anybody has regretted doing it, but and for some people, it's totally changed the arc of their life. There was a woman who came to us with a 26-year methamphetamine addiction. One ceremony, gone, done. She's got about 15 months now of abstinence, of sobriety. Was it the psilocybin? I'm going to suggest to you it was not. The psilocybin, it loosened the grip, the rigidity of the mind, opened up different perspectives, and created new neural pathways. And what this woman did is she did the work. She did the integration work. And whether you read Michael Pollan's book or watch tons of videos, everybody talks about the importance of of integration work with psilocybin and other medicines. And yet I see so many people come to us and believe that this psilocybin is going to change their life in and of itself. And the chance of that happening is not great unless they really dig in and explore what arose during this experience. Was I able to say yes and overcome any resistance or reluctance to explore this terrain that the medicine has opened up for us? And afterwards, did I really take the insights that I got during the ceremony and ask myself, how can I apply this in my life? And have I used skills like mindfulness meditation and movement and breathing practices, internal family systems, and many other practices that are available out there that you can link with the medicine so that I can build on this experience? Okay. Don't fall for the trap that this medicine is going to change your life by itself. It probably won't. It might, but it probably won't. And don't fall for the trap of more is better. I can't tell you how many people I've run into over the years going to meetup groups and in various conversations with people who are oriented towards this approach of using medicine. So many people have said, you know, I had this amazing experience. It changed my life. And then I talked to them 4 or 5 months later, and they're right back where they were. Why was that? Well, I think you can probably figure it out. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad idea to use something like psilocybin again and again over a period of time, but take a break for a while. Okay, microdosing, yeah, sure, do some microdosing. But in terms of doing big ceremonies, doing those 4, 5, 6 grams and so on, space it out. Give yourself time to unpack the experience. Allow yourself to really dig in and explore what came up in this journey, in this ceremony. Unpack apply, and see if you can learn from the experience before just jumping back in and saying, I'm going to blow shit up and just see what happens. Okay. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it'll not. I'm not an expert on this, but I'll tell you what, I have my own personal experience and I've been around a lot of people and I've talked to a lot of people. And that's a concern I have is that this medicine is being used too much as a magic bullet. All right. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them. Love to read your perspective on this. Thanks for watching.